What's up, y'all? We are let's see, it's New Year's Eve, Sunday. My whole family's been sick for over a week. I've been sleeping in the camper, trying not to get sick myself. Everybody's had the flu and bronchitis. I got Luke-a-Loo right here. So what's up? Hey, get you a jacket, buddy. It's not too cold, but I don't want you to get sick anymore. He's finally getting better. But Santa Claus brought Luke a dirt bike. If y'all seen the shorts, y'all know that. Unfortunately, it got shipped with a broken fuel tank. So we're going to, I've got some HDPE plastic filler rods. We're going to go out here and see if we can make a video for you guys about plastic welding with a soldering iron. I've never done it before, so I might make myself look like a fool. I don't know. We're gonna try to fix it either way though, so Luke can ride his dirt bike. You ready, Luke? You wanna try to ride that dirt bike? He is excited, y'all. So y'all just hang tight with us. We're gonna see if we can make something cool happen, all right? Well, about the time we got out here comes Papa bringing his camper back to put it back in the barn here. With me and Alex are in the middle of building this big 6x6 box. Probably gonna put this one, we was gonna take it to the hunting club, but we're probably gonna put this one down here at the house. That way we've got us a spot to go when it's nasty. We can check out some deer. But here's Luke's little bike. Got him a little ttr-90. Got a BBR exhaust and, you know, some cool stickers and what have you. But here's the issue. The tank is just split like crazy. So we bought some of these HDPE welding rods, and we've got some in blue, which hopefully will match pretty well. So you guys just hang tight. We're gonna try to get Papa back in and see what we can do. Well, we got the camper and all backed up in the barn. So talking to Pops, consulting with Dad about this, about how he thinks we need to handle this big old giant crack that we've got. He seems to think these little plastic welding rods that I've got, these HDPE rods, trim bits and pieces off of it, because this is a big gap in here, guys. I know you probably can't tell, but it's pretty bad. I hope I can fix this, but we're gonna try to get this thing sewed up, guys. So I'm gonna try to figure out somewhere to hang y'all up, or maybe get Alex to. So we got to get this thing hot. So get it clicked on. It's gonna start heating up. Yeah, this is gonna get interesting. Got a brand new cutting tip on here. We're gonna try to run it sideways though. See it turning colors, Alex? That's how hot that sucker's getting. So I guess just try it. We're gonna see if we can make ourselves look stupid. Probably going to lay it sideways, Alex. Get it flat. There you go. See if we can burn this in.
Sounds like a candle.
Oh, I'm sure. Burning plastic. Hey, that actually looks like it's working. That looks really good. Alex is stacking up some dimes right there, guys. Just don't get too fast. Boy, that color worked out well too.
Yeah.
A little fast on it.
Yep.
Well, Alex, making it look simple. Hopefully this just works, guys. I really want to get Luke on that bike and let him ride some today. Here, let's twist it up a bit. See how you're getting. There you go. Get it flat. Wow, literally stacking the dimes. I mean, that's insane, y'all. Never done that before. Made it look good though. Alright. I don't know about you, Alex, but I'm pretty pleased with how that turned out. I mean, We went from
Chip some of that off.
that giant crack to that right there, guys. So yeah, I'm going to consider that a success. We'll find out when we put gas in it, I guess, won't we, Alex?
Yeah.
I'm sure somebody out there that's going to watch this video has probably done this before. They're probably going to tell us we're doing this wrong. Know a better way to do this, please let me know, because this tank on this particular bike, for whatever reason, as I'm looking at it right now, is like it's either $448 or $498. So it's really expensive tank. And I really don't want to put him a new tank on it. I don't mind to buy him a new tank. I don't want to put him a new tank on it, being this his first dirt bike ever. He's gonna crash and bang and break it, and we're gonna try to teach him how to ride this thing first. So we don't want to buy a brand new one just to turn around and break it, I guess is what we're saying.
Daddy.
What's not cool?
You said I would crash.
You're gonna crash. That's part of riding, buddy. That's part of riding. It makes me nervous, y'all. So yeah, we're gonna keep working on this, guys. Let's see if we can get a little bit more done here and see what we can get done. Trying to fill this void now.
What's in here?
Somewhere, baby.
What part of the vise are you talking about?
In there.
Nothing. There should be nothing.
That's because there is nothing. I don't see nothing fall.
Guys, that is working a whole lot better than I expected. Whether or not it'll last, I have no idea. Luke, stop shaking the table, son. So we've got some spots over here where I drilled the
Small piece?
yeah, let's see that. Ooh, let me see that long piece.
Why is there smoke everywhere?
Because we're burning
the
plastic. Had a couple holes right there, guys. Y'all probably couldn't see that, but I had to drill those out. Keep them from running any farther. Trying to tie all this together real well from the original plastic to what filler rod Alex added here. Luke, if this works, buddy, we will have you on this dirt bike here in just a little bit. If your mama lets you.
Yeah, she probably will.
You think so? producing much better results than I expected. What about you, Alex?
I don't know what I expected in the beginning.
Well, I just expected it to look horrible, mainly. I mean, don't get me wrong, it don't look brand new by any means, but I was expecting it to look a lot worse than it actually does right at the moment. Luke, I think this was worth the wait, buddy.
Huh?
We had to wait a few days on these rods to come in.
Rods.
These HDPE rods.
That look old school. Come on. That thing looks old school.
What looks old school?
The thing you're using right now.
Soldering iron?
Yeah.
Why do you think my soldering iron looks old school?
It has lights and it has two things connecting. That's old school.
I'm gonna tell you right now, as good as it works, if it's old school, that'll be just fine with me. I think you'll be okay with it if it fixes this tank, won't you?
Here's what I'm thinking.
Okay. But it
What do you want
looks
to do?
Buff some of that out, make it look nicer.
big.
No, I want to leave it there. I want the structural rigidity of it because this is a common issue on this tank. For some reason, the TTRs, I don't know what the deal is, but the little TTR platform from Yamaha seems to be a real issue with cracking these tanks right here close to where the fairings bolt on. So generally, yes, I would love to buff it down and pretty it up, but I don't know exactly how much penetration we got. Only time's going to tell on that, but I think we got it pretty good. Check it out, Luke. Remember that big giant crack?
Yeah. That's it. Wow.
I think we got it fixed.
Wow. That's the big giant crack.
It was.
Okay.
See, anything else we have over here? Cracked, busted up, missing.
Yeah, now be the time to fix it, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Now what about? Yeah, never mind. No.
This.
What else?
Asking about this hose. That's where that gas hooks up.
Yeah. Okay, Luke, you want me to bolt this baby back up and see if we can fix it? I guess we could put some fuel in it. We'll try that.
Want to do what?
I don't think
Grab
you can.
that gas can right there.
See if it holds.
I don't think you can.
If it holds gas.
No way. No way.
I know there's not much in there, but just hook it up to that vise right there, Alex. Hook it on the end of that vise.
We're good. Yeah, I might hang it. Might hang y'all up.
Yeah, hang them on the vise. There's very little in there anyways. All of it we can get though is what we're looking for.
That's a lot.
It's actually more than I thought.
Yeah, it was only like maybe like a fifth full.
That's a lot. That's. Let me see. That's a lot.
Don't I do what?
Spill it.
I'm not trying to spill it. I'm trying to see if it's gonna leak in here. Guys, we put about. Hey now. Don't lose all that, son. Every nut and bolt that I need's right there. Have some kids, they say. Just make sure you're pointing at me there, fella. You're probably not.
I ain't pointing at you.
Yeah, but and I can tell you it needed to go up. It looks, I would say that we've got it fixed. Now, I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
Alex, what do you think? Is this gas right here? Well, y'all, I think this was actually gonna be called a success. Now, like I said, we don't have, obviously, it's still sitting here on the bench, but it's probably 1/4 to 1/2 tank of fuel in it right now. I laid it over on its side and held it up in the air, so if it was gonna drip, it'd drip on me. Yeah, I'm goofy like that, but that was my way of knowing for sure. It actually turned out, now I added a lot of this plastic back to this, guys, so it looks a little bit rough, but I wanted to make sure that as I welded it, we didn't weld tension back to the tank, because I think that might be part of the problem with these things. I don't know, somebody's probably got the answer for it, but yeah, we are well on the way to getting him put back together, guys. So y'all hang tight with me. I'm gonna put this baby back together and see if we can get it to run.
Still leaking.
Yeah. Just my size.
Just his size, he says. I don't think it's supposed to be making that noise.
Yeah.
White metal cans as seafoam. Let's see.
I think I've got some in there. I might not. Should be over there like all the oil and stuff.
Yeah.
White with red writing on
Seafoam.
it. There you go. Running okay. It's acting a little funky. Of course, it ain't been ridden any.
You need more gas? There's that can beside the what's it called?
Oh, beside the pressure washer?
Yeah.
I think I need to hold this thing. It ain't gonna hurt to run a little bit in here anyhow.
You want to go right over there and get some of that?
If there's some in there, I'll put some
It's
in
leaking.
Is it coming out of that valve?
Yeah.
Tell me a flathead screwdriver out of there.
Flathead over here.
Yeah, out of the thing in there. No. Tell me a big, pretty good size flathead, a little bigger than that.
Nope. I mean, he said bigger. Not bigger.
No, there's them green handle ones over beside the socket.
Okay. I mean, he said bigger. So I went bigger.
This thing's tight. I know it is. Why it will not quit leaking fuel, I do not know. Yeah, well. Oh, come on. Seemed to stop it, didn't it? Let's try it again. You ride it?
Sore.
Alright, here, roll her back out there. Alex's first time on a dirt bike. He's gonna be a little big for this one. We might, even though Alex is like 6'6", he probably should have had maybe a 125 or bigger. So look, just flip your switch on, kick start it, make sure it's in, well, yeah, it's in neutral. So flip that thing around with your foot. Nope, flip it out. Flip the rubber piece out. Just grab it with your hand. Flip it out, there you go. And push down easy and get it to where it's got some resistance, and then push down fast. Pick it back up, go easy. All right, now there you go. Try to keep it running when you twist throttle. Pick your foot up. All right, now flip your thing in. Neutral's all the way down, 3 gears up, I think. I'm pretty sure it's a 3-speed. Just click it up one time, you'll be in first gear. Guys, I'm gonna call that a success. I'm gonna get Luke out here shortly and let him ride around on this thing, but I appreciate you guys watching this video. Like everybody else tells you, if you like it, subscribe, please. Hit the thumbs up, whatever, notifications, all that jazz. But I really do appreciate you guys watching this, and man, that turned out awesome. Like I said, well, if I can think about it, I'll try to give you guys a long-term review here in a month or so or something like that. See if this thing actually holds up, because Luke's he's gonna put some hours on it, guys. I can assure you of that. But I appreciate y'all watching. Here comes old Evel Knievel. I've got to adjust the carburetor on this thing a little bit. I can hear it sputtering just a little bit. Might have to do a little cleaning probably. Oh, look at that smile on his face. Oh man, that's a big old boy. He's having a good time now. Luke and him are gonna probably fight each other. We're gonna have a hard time getting Alex off of it. He's riding down in the garden. Good time right there.